fabric is like wow, it's dress of dreams. I will start from the best because I think that this is one of the best for this school. Like Burnout Tipsy share this floral decoration Burnout and transparent трикотаж which one stretches so it's not stretch